There are certain key characteristics of a healthy soil dynamics for a gardener, for a farmer. You need these key dynamics in place in soil for the plants to function and grow and to be healthy. The most important is proper drainage. We need to make sure that the soil has proper drainage pathways so there's not a build up and a stagnation of water that happens in the soil. So proper drainage allows for the flow of water out, and we need proper oxygenation, we need water, we need the right nutrients in the soil, the right minerals, and pH balance is critical for proper soil health. Same exact dynamic applies to the extracellular matrix of the body, the interstitial space of the body, or the fascia of the body. When we talk about higher level order, fascia is just a higher level order of the extracellular matrix space. It requires proper drainage. With proper drainage through the lymphatic system pulls all that fluid out of that space for processing. It needs to be oxygenated so that the cells are properly oxygenated. It's the right amount of hydration, minerals and nutrients, and pH balance of this space is also really, really critical. So it's really a really amazing correlation we see with nature and we see with the body. And in Chinese medicine, we say that the macrocosm is mirrored in the microcosm, and microcosm mirrored in the microcosm, that the external world is a mirror of ourselves, and we are a mirror of the external world. And so this really important dynamic of the soil, we talk about the soil of the earth, the soil of our environment is really the soil in our bodies as the extracellular matrix, and the dynamics are identical. Identical dynamics in terms of proper health. And so what happens when these healthy dynamics are not properly maintained within the soil? We get stagnation in the soil, and we get the eventual breakdown, we get root rot in plants, and we get the eventual progression of disease, fungus, bacteria, pathogen, microbes start to overgrow within in soil and in farms and in our gardens. And the same thing happens to us if we don't have proper healthy dynamics within extracellular matrix space. We have the over acidity, we have lack of oxygenation, we have too much metabolic toxicity in that space, not enough proper nutrients. We get the cellular degeneration, cellular breakdown, and in humans also we get the eventual end stage development of cancer, of neoplasm and metastasis in the body. So maintaining this space is critical for the health of all our organs, critical for the health of in every disease state, and health critical for the reversal of every disease state. Once we start addressing these key dynamics, we can start then re-establishing health regulation, self-management within the body is really, really key. So really interesting how both are affected when we have negative cellular functioning, negative extracellular matrix functioning, negative soil functioning, that plants can't grow and our cells in the same way can't flourish.